Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today we're going to unbox the Hikvision's digital analog 1080p bullet CCTV camera. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the box. As you can see on the top, we got Hikvision indoor outdoor IR bullet camera. So it supports turbo HD technology. Here on the front we got HD video output, HD TVI technology for those who have old DVRs like mine. It's IP66 waterproof, 3-axis adjustment, so you can easily adjust it according to the angle you want. Here it says again indoor outdoor IR bullet camera, so it is a night vision supported camera. And that's all for all the box. Here we got its serial number. You can see it says 1080p. The lens size is 3.6 millimeter. We got its model number, and the input voltage is 12 watt 275 milliampere to 3.3 watt max. So you're going to use a 12 watt DC supply to power this camera. If you use an AC supply, then this camera will burn, so make sure that. And all of after that there's nothing. So in the previous designs, this you can see this design is more boxy, whereas in the past it was more of a cylindrical type. So Hikvision changed their design. That's good. So let's open the seal. Here you go. Okay, there's another seal as well, which I didn't notice, sorry. Okay, looks like my knife is facing problems. Anyways, here we go. So inside the box we got our quick start guide. So here you can read the quick start guide if you want, or you can just see my previous videos on how I showed you how you can install Hikvision cameras. So this is one for the dome cameras, but in our case we got this bullet camera. So that's all in the quick installation guide, nothing too much. Here we got our small packet with our rowel plugs and screws, so that we can have these rowel plugs on the wall and use these screws to mount it on our wall. If you have a cardboard wall, then you don't need these white things. You can just simply screw these screws directly on a cardboard or a wooden wall. And here is our main camera itself, as you can see. Hikvision. Here is the front of the camera. We got some protective covering. We are going to remove it. And here you can see, so we got our main lens here, and it only has one IR bulb, which is just below here. I will show you in a little bit. So you can see that the size is pretty smaller than before, and it's more boxy, as I told you. We got one screw to rotate it like this. If I loosen this one, you can see I can rotate it like this as well as like this. So this screw does multiple things, or nut I would say. Here we got our bottom. On the wire section we got our usual wires. One is our female BNC connector for signal transmission. One is our usual power adapter, female power adapter port, so we can power it with DC 12 watt obviously. And here we have a small button switch. So this tab is used for, cover is used for waterproofing. Here we have a button so that we can shift with different modes if we want. If we have a HD DVR, then we can go with the HD to get the best quality. If you have an old DVR like mine, which supports TV lines, then you can go to the TV line mode, and it will support your TV line DVR as well. So let me just power it on and let me show you its IR bulb. So I'm just going to power off the light, and it should power on, but I think it's still very bright. And here you can see, so here you can see the infrared bulb on the very bottom of the lens. You can see that there is now only one bulb and not many as they were used to be. So it is a red bulb in the camera. It's showing like pinkish for some reason. Maybe it's IR, that may be the case, but anyways, here you can see it's IR bulb. So let me just power on the main light again, and it should automatically power off this bulb. And you can see it has switched back to color mode or day mode. So guys, this was the unboxing video of the Hikvision camera. Now I will set it up where I want to, and then I will show you its result on my DVR. Just to make sure, the result that you're going to show is from a DVR that supports TV lines, which is an old format, and not the latest H.265 format which this camera supports. So the quality will be little or maybe more or less as compared to when you connect with the proper new DVRs. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you are interested in the installation of how you can install CCTV cameras, I have made videos about it as well. I will put them in the video's description as well. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.